Hello, myself Shivam, and I am student of BSc Information Technology from GNA University, Fagwara.
Hello everyone, my name is Aniket and I have completed my Bachelor of Computer Application.
I did 6-month training in React Native from Meander software. The developer here are very amazing and they have enough amount of knowledge. My overall experience here was very good, and soon after my training I got the job. Thanks
One
Meander.
of my friends suggested me Meander software and I chose to become a UI UX designer. I have also completed my 6-month training as a UI UX designer and then I got a job in Meander. So my overall experience was very good with Meander. Also the staff and my colleagues are very cooperative with each other. All in all, my experience was extremely best in Meander software. So I suggest to you all, if you want to start your career in IT, so visit in Meander once if you want to make your career bright.